Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and we have finally got our new drainage in. This is the incredible stuff that comes from the French Drain Man. Big shout outs to Robert Sherwood and his team for bringing this to us. Hydro Hero is now using that in all their drain systems for crawl spaces, basement, waterproofing, yard drainage, anything of that nature. Here is that 8-slot staggered pipe. This is very, very, very good stuff, and the only thing that we're going to use from here on out. This is incredible amount of inlet. I mean, really look at that. I mean, this is nothing like the ADS drainage that contractors are typically using. This is really, really good stuff. We got a ton of this in, got 40 rolls right off the bat, so we can turn around and make sure that we are dewatering our places as fast as possible. Here our guys are unloading more. So this is the drainage fabric that the French Drain Man is talking about. Robert, this is some really, really good stuff. And yeah, way stronger than that stuff you get at Amazon. So again, you need a really good DOT approved soil separator drainage fabric to put in your trenches when you're doing any type of French drain or drain tile, whether it be in a crawl space, a basement, or any type of yard drainage for stormwater management. You really need the good stuff, and this is definitely the good stuff. I am happy to finally be able to put that logo in a video of mine. I've watched so many of Robert's videos, or the French Drain Man's videos, so we are super happy to have all of his products in. So we're unloading a lot more of the drainage fabric. If you guys need, any of you do-it-yourselfers need this specialty drain tile and specialty fabric, and you're in Delaware or the Eastern Shore of Maryland or in the Charleston, South Carolina area, we're going to be distributing this pipe and the drain fabric, and we can certainly save a lot on shipping. You won't believe how much shipping is for this stuff. I mean, you got to buy it in bulk. So big shout out again, Robert. Thank you so much for finally letting us get our hands on this tile that we have just been waiting forever and hoping and praying that we could actually get. So huge shout out. Thanks so much, Hydro Hero. If you guys are do-it-yourselfers or contractors looking for crawl space drainage, crawl space encapsulation, moisture control, mold control, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please like our page and drop us some comments if you guys think that this is some really superior drain tile that has massive inlet and you'd like to get your hands on it. Put a yes in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you guys have any questions about this or about any other type of crawl space encapsulation questions, crawl space drainage, mold remediation, give us a shout. Hit us up in the comments. And tell us also what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. That's all we got. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.